Do you like milk? Do you like espresso? Do you like them both at the same time? Not too much of each? That's cortado.
Hey, I'm Keegan. We're here at Civil House Coffee, and today I'm going to show you how to make a tasty cortado. Alright, a cortado is the espresso drink with the smallest amount of milk in this glass here. So it's basically a 1-to-1 ratio of espresso to milk, as opposed to a latte, which is like 3/4 milk. And to make that, you need a really good pull on your espresso, and you need perfectly steamed milk to get your art just right. First, we're just going to pull the shot. Next, we steam the milk. Next, we give it a quick whisk just to get the crema broken out. Alright, we're about to do the pour here, and especially with a cortado being such a small drink, the pour is really important. And we're gonna make a julep. And now we pour.